Are you a British fruit enthusiast willing to pay £3 for Boombites? This grape berry hybrid promises a unique sensory experience with its deep crimson pulp and grape-like flavor. But here's where it gets interesting. It's not just about the taste. Boombites are packed with resveratrol, a polyphenol known for its potential benefits to heart and metabolic health. And get this, they might even help regulate blood sugar levels, making them a potentially valuable addition to your diet. A unique look and flavor. Boombites are a sight to behold. With their classic grape skin and deep crimson pulp, they offer a burst of color and a flavor profile that leans towards grapes but with a unique texture and color. The aim is to bring the convenience and crunch of seedless grapes and the pigment-rich traits of berries, all in one bite. The science behind Boombites. Boombites belong to a family of red-fleshed grapes rich in anthocyanins, the plant compounds that give blueberries and blackberries their deep hues. These anthocyanins are part of a larger group called polyphenol, which have been linked to positive markers of heart and metabolic health, from cholesterol profiles to vascular function and gut microbiota composition. Additionally, these grapes contain resveratrol, a polyphenol famous for its presence in grape skins and its potential benefits in diet and cardiovascular health. Independent testing confirms antioxidant levels comparable to blueberries and roughly triple the resveratrol content. Blood sugar regulation. Emerging research from Spain suggests a notable twist. Despite their natural sweetness, these red-fleshed grape varieties may slow glucose uptake in vitro models compared to standard grapes. This could be beneficial for those monitoring energy dips or managing carbohydrate loads, as it may help flatten glucose spikes. However, real-world responses vary, so individuals should monitor their glucose levels for personalized results. Breeding process. Boombites are the result of conventional crossing between small, soft, red-fleshed wine grapes and larger, crunchy, seedless table grapes. The goal was to retain the crisp bite and sweetness of modern table grapes while introducing red flesh and pigment density. Only a few successful crosses produced the desired balance of color, texture, and flavor for supermarket shelves. Why shoppers might care. Fruit sugar can be a deterrent for increasing daily fruit intake. Nutritionists emphasize that the whole fruit package, including water, fiber, polyphenol, and micronutrients, significantly impacts how our bodies handle sugars compared to juices or sweets. Boombites, with their unusually high pigment profile for a grape, feed into this debate. Large population studies consistently link higher polyphenol intake with improved cardiovascular risk profiles, and one long-running study found that those consuming the most polyphenol had fewer new cases of type 2 diabetes. How to use Boombites. Pre- or post-gym snack, their water content aids hydration, and the sugars provide energy. Breakfast upgrade, toss them into porridge or yogurt for a colorful and crunchy addition. Savory salads, pair with feta, walnuts, and rocket for a vibrant centerpiece. Cheese board, their crunch complements soft rind cheeses and chutney. Frozen treat, freeze and use as edible ice cubes in sparkling water. Price and availability. Boombites are available at M&S and Ocado for £3 per punnet. Limited volumes are expected initially, as growers monitor demand and adjust harvest windows. Storage and serving tips. Keep punnets chilled and dry, rinsing before eating. Store at the front of the fridge for peak crispness, and promptly return leftovers. A typical UK fruit portion is 80 g, which counts towards the 5 a day target. Many shoppers find 12 to 15 Boombites approximate this serving size. Nutrition and glucose management. Antioxidant capacity describes how compounds behave in test systems, not guaranteed effects in the body. Resveratrol content varies with growing conditions, storage, and ripeness. Anthocyanins support the body by signaling, not mopping up all free radicals, which is why a diverse plate matters. For those managing diabetes or insulin resistance, the suggestion of slower glucose uptake is beneficial. Pairing fruit with yogurt, nuts, or seeds can further stabilize absorption due to protein, fat, and extra fiber. Recipe idea: breakfast pot. Layer 80g Boombites, 150g natural yogurt, chopped hazelnuts, and a pinch of cinnamon. The yogurt adds protein, the nuts bring crunch and unsaturated fats, and the spices add aroma without extra sugar. Common questions. Are they a berry or a grape? They are grapes bred for red flesh and high pigment density. Are they seasonal? Supply will follow harvests. UK availability may vary throughout the year. Are they suitable for children? They are whole fruits. Have them lengthwise for younger children to reduce choking risk. Do they replace blueberries? Variety is key. Rotate them with other colorful fruits for a balanced diet.